Hey guys, after Austria, guess where I am now? I think this place is more famous for its mystery, spy movies, and hot mineral springs. Welcome to Budapest, Hungary. All this Hungarian money is equal to 100 euros. Okay, I'm going from Vienna to Budapest. Let's go. We have to take this train. It takes 3.5 hours from Vienna to Budapest. Stay with me, I'll see you in Budapest. I think we belong in this wagon. Finally, we sat down.
I hope it goes to Delhi.
Well, we arrived. This is the central train station in Budapest, and that's the Hungarian flag. I didn't book a hotel in advance. Let's go find a hotel first, then we'll go and explore Budapest. We finally found a hotel here. Let's go inside and see how it is. That hotel wasn't possible. He said you had to make a reservation. Hotel Charles. If we can't find a place to stay, we'll end up sleeping on top of those hills tonight. Hi, Budapest! It wasn't okay here either. Since we hadn't made a reservation, he said 90 euros per night, but I think he said a more expensive price. Yes. This is the bathroom and toilet. It seems clean and there are no problems. Good. We have a desk, Wi-Fi, TV, and 2 separated beds here too. Let me take a look outside. The price of this room is 45 euros per night, or 17,000 Hungarian forints, including breakfast. This is Gellert Hill. This place is also known as Buda Hill and Buda Castle. From here you can see the city of Budapest better and have a beautiful panorama. The Danube River is there. the beautiful Danube River. There is a huge statue up there. Do you know why? To respect. Once upon a time, people put a holy priest in a barrel and threw him down from the top. Since we came across the bridge, the city has completely changed. Budapest is just showing itself. There is a museum here too, up there.
Várj, vegyük sor milyen van. Nem a Corvin, nem a Corvin.
We found an Iranian restaurant here too. Let's go see what they have for lunch. Look what we have for lunch today. This is my dish. Vegetable saffron rice with lamb and cholo kebab for my friend. Bah, bah. So delicious. Our food cost a total of 10,000 Hungarian forints, or about 27 to 30 euros.
Like 42 euros still again.
Nice.